Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage quick items in Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl. To do it, I'm gonna click on I to enter our inventory and I'm gonna explain quick access items and then I'm gonna show you how to use them. Quick access items are shown in your equipment. If you cannot see the equipment tab, click on E button on your keyboard. You can see that I have equipped medkit, bandage, energy drink and the anti-radiation drugs in quick access, and they are also displayed here, and you can see that there are keyboard buttons. When you click shortly on Q, you will access the first slot. Then when you press and hold on Q, you'll access the second slot. Then click on E to access third slot and press and hold on E to access fourth slot. To edit the quick access menu, just click on the item that you want to. You can just click on it with left mouse button to remove it from here. You can add one to your quick access by clicking on the right button in your inventory, then quick access, and it's added here. And now I'm gonna show you how to use it. Let's exit out of the inventory and now click on Q for the first slot, press and hold on Q for the second slot, then click on E for the third slot and press and hold on E for the fourth slot. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.